Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Are you still practicing fire making in this kind of heat? Here's a piece of tulip poplar that came off an 8-foot piece. And I just took that piece and slammed it over the top of a stump and broke this off. Let's go ahead and process this down and use a fire roll to ignite it. I was not expecting that. All right, here's our tinder bundle. And we'll use, I don't know, 6 inches of cotton. And I have a little bit of ash in here. And our top board. It is not perfectly true. A little bit of a rocker right there, but it should work. When you're using a Shavings Tinder bundle, a lot of times you just have to let it sit there and cook. We are trying to build the biggest ember that we possibly can before we have to put it in the hobo stove. Do not be deceived by the first flames that happen to pop up. A lot of times when the smoke is streaming up off of it that fast, if you just let it sit there and cook for 30 seconds, 60 seconds is better. The next time you blow on it, it'll go to flames. Be patient. Alright, we'll just let that catch and go to flames. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let me see if I can find you a better, darker background so you can see the flames.